So here I have an extension cord that needs to be wrapped up. I need to hang this up. I've got some other ones right here. I've got a grip one for there, but here I've got just a bungee. I've been using like a bungee and another little thing. Also have like a bungee on this rope right here. I've got another extension cord that I'm just kind of hanging. But what's great about these Rapids is this is what it looks like. So it's got this little tab right here that you can rip apart. Okay, you got Velcro on the one side, Velcro on the other side, and then you've got this little tab, so it's very easy to strap around something. You got this big loop, and then what's great is it has a nice strong grommet to be able to hang up. So let's wrap this around, see if I can do it one-handed, just to show you how easy it is to use even one-handed. So this is a 25-foot extension cord, so there's plenty of room in here, especially for this one over here that's like a 100-footer right there. Actually, might be a 100-footer as well. So there's plenty of room right here, but super awesome to be able to just strap that up and hang that right there. So these are really good products. Wrap it for storage. You can use it just about for anything you want, but it's nice that it has that little grommet for a hook. But if you need to store stuff, this is a great product. Can highly recommend. Definitely pick up a pack of these.